If you're looking for a tournament-quality ping pong table that you can set up at home without spending hours assembling it, today's review is for you. Today we're taking a look at the JOOLA Inside Professional MDF Indoor Ping Pong Table. It features a competition-style playing surface, 10-minute easy assembly, a quick clamp net and post system, and a foldable design with single-player playback mode. But does it really live up to JOOLA's reputation? Let's find out. JOOLA has been a trusted name in table tennis for decades, supplying equipment for clubs, schools, and professional tournaments. The Inside Professional Table is designed for players who want a premium indoor playing experience at home. Whether you're practicing alone, competing with friends, or training regularly, this table combines convenience, durability, and tournament-inspired performance. Its foldable design also makes storage simple when the game is over. The table features a professional MDF playing surface designed to provide consistent ball bounce and smooth gameplay. This makes rallies feel more predictable and enjoyable for players of all skill levels. Its sturdy steel frame keeps the table stable during fast-paced matches, reducing unwanted movement while playing. Another major advantage is the quick clamp net and post system, allowing you to attach or remove the net quickly without complicated adjustments. The table is also built to tournament dimensions, giving players a more authentic competition-style experience. Convenience is another area where this table shines. One of the biggest highlights is the 10-minute assembly process, meaning you'll spend less time building and more time playing. The table folds into a compact position for storage and transport, making it ideal for garages, game rooms, or multi-purpose spaces. It also includes a single-player playback mode, allowing one half of the table to remain upright while you practice shots without needing a partner. Smooth rolling wheels make moving the table around your home much easier. During gameplay, the table delivers a reliable and enjoyable experience. The playing surface provides a consistent bounce that's suitable for recreational games as well as serious practice sessions. The sturdy frame keeps the table stable during aggressive rallies, while the quick clamp net stays securely in place throughout play. For solo practice, the playback mode is especially useful, helping players improve consistency, timing, and ball control whenever a practice partner isn't available. Overall, it offers the kind of quality and durability expected from a well-known table tennis brand. So, is the JOOLA Inside Professional Ping Pong Table worth buying? If you're looking for a high-quality indoor table tennis table that's easy to assemble, simple to store, and delivers reliable tournament-style performance, this is an excellent choice. Its professional MDF playing surface, sturdy construction, quick clamp net system, foldable storage, and single-player playback mode make it a versatile option for families, hobby players, and serious table tennis enthusiasts alike. Whether you're improving your skills or simply enjoying competitive games at home, the JOOLA Inside Professional Table offers excellent value for the money. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest sports equipment and home recreation reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.